Fortify your system with this ogbonge recipe. This is how I fortify I and my family system. The ingredients you're seeing here is neem leaf, grapefruit oranges, ginger, and garlic with lemon. The ginger, I doesn't peel the back. As you can see, I didn't peel the back. Even the garlic, I didn't peel the back. I just wash it very well, dice it small and put it. After it, I come add water. Make sure that the water you will put will cover all the ingredients. You see this recipe. If you try them at home or more, you go come back to thank me later. I forgot to add lemongrass because I couldn't get hold of it. In case you're preparing yours, if you see it, try and this is me turning everything to make sure that everything rhymes together before I start cooking it. As you can see, I am turning, mixing the mixing so that everything will be together. So after all the mixing and turning, the next thing is to put it on fire. I don't cook and finish. As you can see, it's ready for consumption. Everything don't infuse together, but the neem leaf, the ginger, the garlic, the grapefruit oranges, and the lemon, everything done. Oh my gosh, time to drink it. Oh my god, as you can see, my son is crying here. Oh see my daughter now, she's claiming big girl. I tell them, oh yeah, drink. If not sweet and juice now, then go leak. Drink, make they drink them. It's for their own good. I force some more, make she drink them, make it drink them. I force them. See now. He said, mommy, no, it's bitter. He's covering his mouth. See this one now. This one don't declare big girl. Good to fortify our system. So after that, I can't give my odogu. See my odogu's face now. This is me. But true, this thing they bitter. Hey, but the health benefits outweighs the bitterness. So tell me at the comment section if you be trying this ogbonge recipe at home. Okay, it's very good. It will clear all the nyama inside your system. Okay, please share this video, like, comment. If you never follow my page, what are you waiting for? Follow not selling for your health talks. Bye guys.